Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a manual lawn aerator. This will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right over here, I have a manual lawn aerator. This is my Fiskars aerator that I got really recently. I've got it extremely recently. I'm just trying to think about it now. I believe that I got this yesterday. I did a lot of work with it, so it kind of seems like I got it, a few days ago, but in reality, now that I think about it, all that work was in a single day. So yeah, I believe I got this yesterday. But anyways, I got this recently, and I really, really like it. I'm going to show you how to use something like this. Now, there are other manual lawn aerators that have, more cores, like more holes or more tines, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to call them. And they might look a little bit different, but it's very, very similar of a process. What you want to do is you want to take the lawn aerator, and there's a part that's going to obviously go into the ground, and there's going to be a part that obviously goes upwards, okay? So this is the part that goes into the ground, and obviously it's got some holes here that are going to be making the cores in the ground. And essentially, I'm going to make sure I'm on camera. I'm going to choose a spot that I want to get to aerate, and I'm going to place it down. I'm going to put my foot on it to get a little bit of pressure, and I'm going to give it a nice, good, press in a downward, with a downward force, almost like a stomp, but you're not really stomping on it. You already have your foot on it. You're just pushing down, and then I'm going to lift it up. And I'm going to choose another spot, place my foot there, give it some downward force, lift it up. Foot, down, lift it up. Foot, down, lift it up. Just like that. Over and over again. I think there's like a part of a tree, like a tree root over here. Yeah, there is. We have a couple decently sized trees in the backyard. So, just like that. Okay, I'm going to pick another spot over here, use my other foot, just like that. And it's really, really easy to do. And what's going to happen is you're going to get these little plugs or these cores that pop out, okay? So they're going to end up popping out from over here. So you'll see, I'll just empty it out. So you can see they sort of come out, but as you're doing it, they're going to pop out. And essentially, you can do that. And it will take you a while to do your lawn, but it's just something that, it's not that hard. Each step is like, it's not that hard. It's just like a whole bunch of medium level or low to medium level work, right? It's not hard work, but it's, it's something that is tedious, but at the same time, you get to aerate your lawn with something like this. You don't need a big machine. You don't need a big engine. You don't need a big tool. You get to aerate your whole lawn with something like this, and that's why I like it. And hey, look, you also get a little bit of a workout in as well, right? So you get to get a little bit of a workout in there as well. But yeah, really, really easy to do. Figure out, your pattern that you want to create, how much sort of spacing you want to have between your aeration, and then just go ahead and take your time and work your way throughout your lawn. Very, very easy to do. And that's it. That's how to use something like this. And like I said, there are ones that have maybe look different and maybe have fewer or more aeration tines, I guess the word is. But yeah, that's basically how to use something like that. Really, really easy. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. And yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. But yeah, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.